In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make adjustments to an effect you've already added to a clip, an image, or another item in your timeline. The process is very simple once you know where to look. In DaVinci Resolve, effect settings are typically edited from the inspector panel, so that's the main area we'll be using. To begin, go to the clip, image, or whatever element already has an effect applied that you'd like to change. Click directly on that item so it becomes selected. This part is important because DaVinci Resolve only shows the settings for the item you currently have highlighted. If nothing is selected, or if the wrong clip is selected, you may not see the effect controls you're expecting. Once your clip or image is selected, move to the top right area of the interface and click on Inspector. The inspector is where you can view and modify many of the settings for the selected item, including transform controls, cropping, and, in this case, effects. After opening the inspector, look for the Effects section and click into it. This is where you'll be able to edit any effect that has already been applied to the selected clip. A helpful thing to notice here is that if the clip has an effect on it, this section will be available and not grayed out. That gives you a quick visual confirmation that DaVinci Resolve recognizes an active effect on the selected item. From here, you'll see the effect listed along with its available controls. Keep in mind that different effects come with different settings. For example, one effect might let you adjust intensity, size, softness, or color, while another effect could offer completely different options. So the exact controls you see will depend on the specific effect you've applied. At this stage, all you need to do is make the changes you want inside that Effects section. As you adjust the settings, it's a good idea to watch the viewer so you can immediately see how your changes affect the clip. This makes it much easier to fine-tune the look until it matches what you want. And that's really all there is to it. Select the clip, open the inspector, go to Effects, and adjust the available settings for that effect. Once you know this location, editing effects in DaVinci Resolve becomes quick and straightforward.